Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the trend line pro indicator. Okay, so this is a versatile indicator that can be used to simplify your trading strategy. It's a custom indicator, meaning you'll have to download it from an external source, after which you will need to add it to your indicators library, after which you will need to restart your trading terminal before you can then use it on your chart. Okay, so the trend line pro indicator looks like this. Okay, this is the trend line pro indicator. Now this indicator is quite interesting. Okay, it can be used even by complete beginners, right? The indicator gives you signals, not just that it gives you signals, it actually shows you precise entry points, suggests stop loss levels, and suggests take profit levels. Okay, so as we can see, in addition to the display on the candlesticks, as you can see, this is showing us this is showing that this is a sell trend, right? And then it's also showing us that if we are to enter, you can see there's actually an arrow here showing that this is a sell trend, right? But then in addition to that, you can look at this dashboard on the left. Look at the dashboard on the left, and we have some recommended levels. Okay, we have some recommended levels both for stop loss and take profits. Okay, both for stop loss and take profits. But mind you, the sell signal was for 1.09244. So 1.09244. So whenever you are using this indicator, make sure you pay attention to the price where the sell signal was given. $1.09. Okay, this is close. So we had a sell signal somewhere around here, and this is the potential stop loss level. And then we have multiple take profit targets. We have the take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Okay, so this indicator is quite straightforward. It gives you precise entry points, precise stop loss levels, and precise take profit levels. It's also, it gives you multiple take profit levels, 3 take profit levels, and 1 stop loss level. All right, and then as you can see here on this indicator dashboard, you can see that the indicator shows some extra information. Okay, it shows some extra information here and predicts your potential profit. All right, perhaps in pips. Okay, that's probably the number of points. Yeah, it's probably the number of points that you are going to make in profit. All right, so it's quite an interesting indicator. Even a complete beginner can make use of this indicator. Okay, so whenever the indicator gives you a sell signal, all you just have to do is to go ahead and sell. Okay, and set your stop loss at the level given to you by the indicator. And then for your take profit, you can actually decide to use any of the levels. Okay, but make sure you have good risk to reward ratio. So for example, if you get a sell signal around here, then and your stop loss is around here, well, ideally your take profit level, this is one of the limitations of this indicator though, because it seems like sometimes the risk to reward ratios are not always the best, because as we can see, we have our entry level around here and we have stop loss as far as this place, and then we are having our first take profit target somewhere around here. So this is really a bad risk to reward ratio. Okay, but if you are making use of this indicator, I'm just going to recommend using perhaps the third take profit, or the second at least, right? Even the second is not good enough, but in some cases, if the trend is not strong enough, you can consider using the second take profit target. But if the trend is strong enough, you can use the third take profit target. And I will recommend always using other indicators to confirm. Okay. For example, you can make use of RSI, or you can use any other indicator of your choice just to confirm the signals. All right, just for the purpose of confirmations. So whenever you have a signal, for example, we had a sell signal, look at the RSI and confirm what direction the RSI is moving. Or if you are using a moving average, for example, let's say you are using a moving average, you just have to ensure that the price is trading below the moving average, okay, to confirm your sell. All right, so we had a sell signal around here, right? You can see that this was a point where the price cut above the moving average. So ideally, we should have waited for the price to drop back below the moving average before entering our sell. Okay. So you can actually use any other indicator of your choice. So whenever the indicator gives you a signal, whether it's a sell signal or a buy signal, just check your confirmation indicator to be sure that that indicator is also telling you to sell. If this trendline pro indicator says sell, if trendline pro indicator says buy, make sure you check your confirmation indicators and be sure that they are also telling you to buy before you go ahead and enter the trade. Okay, so that is it. When trading, also ensure that you do not risk more than 2% of your capital in a single trade. All right, it is very important to consider capital preservation. It is as important as making profit, because you can only make profit when you have a capital, right? So ensure you preserve your capital. Do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade, okay? And ensure that you do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, okay? It's not a wise decision. It's not a wise decision at all. Now, ideally, you ought to have good risk management, good risk to reward ratio, but this indicator is not exactly the best in terms of risk to reward ratio. So that's one of the limitations, all right? But the indicator can be effective. It's just that in the aspect of risk to reward ratio, it's not exactly the best. Okay, so you might want to take note of that even when using the indicator. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.